I'm Chip Sparks with Circuit Brief. Let's flash through the latest tech news. Talk about a digital disaster waiting to happen. A flaw in Microsoft Entra ID just came to light, and it could have allowed any hacker to hijack almost any company's cloud identity tenant. Yeah, we're talking complete access to sensitive company data from some bad code leftovers. The vulnerability revolved around a dangerous combo of outdated authentication components and legacy misconfigurations. A security researcher found the issue and responsibly reported it before anyone could exploit it, but it's a chilling reminder of how one crack in the armor can bring the whole system down. Now, shifting to another cyber threat, North Korean hackers are once again turning heads and keyboards. Today, researchers confirmed that DPRK-affiliated actors are using a malicious tool called ClickFix to drop something called beaver-tail malware onto unsuspecting victims. Their favorite targets? Cryptocurrency professionals lured through fake job scams. These aren't your average phishing emails either. They're using password-protected archives and highly targeted tactics tailored to Windows environments. The shift signals a serious step up in their operational playbook. Whether you're trading crypto or just updating your resume, double-check your downloads. This isn't just sneaky, it's surgical. All right, let's hit pause for a second and talk about something that might just save your digital bacon. If you're into hacking, cybersecurity, or just being incredibly prepared, you need to check out the Ultimate USB version 2.1 from bootableusbs.com. It's got 13 categories and over 50 bootable environments. From ethical hacking and security forensics to diving into the dark web, system recovery, and even retro gaming, it's like the Swiss Army knife of tech tools. Seriously, if you're the always ready for anything kind of person, this one's for you. The link's in the description. Go check it out. Back to the wild world of tech threats. Malware is evolving, and the delivery methods are getting smarter. That's the pattern we're seeing not only in the DPRK attacks, but across the board. Password-protected payloads are becoming the new norm because they're less likely to be flagged by automated scanners. Plus, with AI-generated phishing emails blending in with legit ones, cybersecurity teams are scrambling to keep up. Speaking of AI, machine-generated voices are now getting harder to distinguish from real humans, and today, Google unveiled a behind-the-scenes look at their latest text-to-video generator. Now, it's not just about mimicking speech, it's about creating realistic video content from simple prompts in seconds. And we're not talking cartoon-level animation. We're talking photorealism. That kind of power in the wrong hands? Deepfake alert. The possibilities are stunning and a little scary. Meanwhile, over in the enterprise world, tech analysts are buzzing about a new AI tool that promises to replace entire marketing departments. It taps language learning models to generate full-scale campaigns based on simple audience inputs. Some startups are already ditching agencies, running million-dollar launches off one platform. Wild times, folks. One more thing to keep an eye on. Regulators are finally starting to take things seriously. The EU is drafting urgent legislation targeting AI-generated manipulation and deep fakes. Whether this slows down innovation or stops digital chaos is still up for debate. But either way, the AI genie is very much out of the bottle. That's your download for today. Chip Sparks signing off from Circuit Brief, and I'll see you tomorrow.